It's my third World Cup. I know how it is, and I tell the boys the opportunity always come 4 years after, and time and chances. This is our time, chances. No regrets. Give your all, and if not, you go back and you realize that times have passed and you didn't manage to put in the work, and that's what I told the boys in our campaign, and I make sure everyone giving their 100% and to create beautiful memories, and for that I'm grateful for the boys for their effort and their sacrifice, and whatever we ask them they turn up and they give their all.
Ooh. Especially in social media.
Yeah, you know, people have their own opinion, and for me, I try to do my best. I'm not perfect, but I try to give my best for the team, for the better of the team, and I'm not really interested in what their opinion and what they think of my leadership. So I think it's important to speak out about that because it's not the first time it's been happening for Tier 2 nation, and it's been happening a decade I think. And I just want to voice for the match official to have a fair play, a fair decision on every team. Because everyone trained hard to come and participate in the tournament. There is blood, sweat and tears, and to be treated unfairly, I think is not humane. You know, everyone should be treated fairly and keep rugby clean.
The next,
hopefully, I hope it's gonna change in the near future, for the future generation, and for the good of rugby and for the people to enjoy rugby. Oh, I'm so grateful. I'm so emotional as well for all your support, and thank you for your never-ending support. Viti, we made history because of your ongoing support, and we ask you to keep supporting the boys, keep supporting the team, whoever is in there. I'm sure they're gonna make us proud. Naka.
Oh, I think I'd just like to thank the Lord first for everything that they've done for the team for the past 15 weeks, and it's been a good World Cup since I've played 3 World Cup, and this one is a different team. So the bonding between the each players and with the coaches and stuff, it's unbelievable. So yeah, it was a good World Cup. Yeah. I think it's starting Tawini. I think that was the main thing for us. Like the coach was start from where all the players start from the beginning of everything, where you start rugby. Like first day, like drew us and separated. But after that 1 week, we are like brothers and we are family already. I think just thanks to the well-lying people and the people from Tavuni, and for the coaches for bringing us back to where we started. Me, I don't know. Going back to the Reds next week for 1 more year and see how it goes, and maybe it's my last World Cup too, so we'll see how it goes. Yeah, I think it's going to be hard because now we know each other really well, and they got some young boys that are stronger too, so I always make jokes for them. Hey, when I catch the ball, don't tackle me, just let me score it. Just look after the old fellas there. So, yeah. Oh, this will not change. Nothing changed. So brothers outside, but on the field we are enemy. Well, thanks for coming out in numbers today. I was surprised coming out at the airport and see all the fans were there. Thanks for everything. And so sorry too that we not reached where we dream of, but just thank for their support and prayers for the team and for everyone. I'm gonna go see my mom. My mom's not here in Natuba. Yeah, and my family. Before I head back to on Sunday, I'll go back to the Reds and start training again next week.
Supporting us throughout the tournament during this Rugby World Cup, and we know they've always behind us through achieve we go. Even though sometimes we go down, you can see on social media how the fans react to it. So for the boys coming back from the airport and seeing the crowded in the airport. It just touch our heart and melts our emotions. I'll go and have a time off. Then another targets have been put it in my target list is to go for this Super Rugby season and achieve what we have achieved last season, but get us to the final.
I thought they did well. They don't feel out of place. But after this World Cup, it's going to be something they can grow from, and probably something they can look forward for the next World Cup. And I think they did really well. Nothing different. You just keep approaching the same way we approach. Just like you play in your clubs, in your, but especially the Nro boys. Nothing changes because you know that you don't want to expose them into it's going to be a lot of pressure. So you're just trying to give them advice where they can be themselves and train well and be happy, and that you can compete properly come game time. Farming. Back to the farm.
What about the grassroots rugby that you
Yeah.
Eastern Saints?
Well, the same thing, farming and going back to my kids' club and going back to Eastern Saints clubs and the junior. They're going to do end of the year awards night, and the kids party in the park and things that we supposed to do for the junior level, grassroots level, that probably our biggest need in Fiji. Yeah, massively. I think it's easier for him because he played for Fiji, and the exposure he had being a captain from all over the world. I think, and with the staff that we have, I think we accommodate each other and contribute to the environment that we're in, and then to the players. I hope so. Because probably 15 weeks ago, I never think that I'll be in this position, because my goal was to go in the 2027 World Cup, and something that I'm very grateful for. Simon is the one who gave me the opportunity, because there's so many great red tapes before when I tried to make it to the national level, and for some reason some people I don't know, they didn't want me up here. So for 15 weeks, see what happened when we work together, trying our very best to for our national team to do well.